need coffee. Jojo, there's a problem.
Preston, it's in the middle of the night.
Okay. Jojo.
What?
There's something important.
Go to bed, Preston.
There's no more toilet paper. I lost all my Pokemon cards. There's a bomb in our house. I miss my mommy. Angel's there.
Preston, Angel is not...
Hi.
At least there's no bomb.
Oh man.
Angel, what you doing here?
Preston,
Is this for real life?
are you seriously watching my videos?
I love this song.
Okay, we have things we plan. Okay, so there's either hat full of punishments. Hey, not yet. Or crocodile. Okay.
I want to eat my ramen noodles. I want this slow motion.
Slow motion? Okay, when it bites down, we'll do slow motion. Okay, who's going first? You, Preston?
Yeah.
Younger first. And Preston.
It's just me.
Hey, my turn.
You have to pick two.
Okay, go.
Pick two.
Two?
Yeah.
You picked one. Okay, let's go again.
Don't choose the hard one, like... this one.
I'm scared. You choose it for me, Jojo.
You scared?
Don't choose a hard one.
Two?
Yeah, you have to do 2 or 3.
Okay.
Do
Three?
Yeah, I did 3.
What? That's a big computer. Okay, Preston, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, who goes first? You?
Yep.
Oh my.
I picked 3.
You picked 3? Oh my gosh, you did. Okay, you go, Jojo.
You pick it for me.
Oh no.
Hi.
Try to find my strawberry.
Okay, it's we gotta find the strawberry, people. Oh my god, you found it! Jojo, I found it! I'm kidding, Preston found it. Wait, let me push it.
Angel, what?
Oh, I'm gonna put an explosion effect when I threw the strawberry down, so we gotta say something.
Boom!
No boom! Not boom! Come on, an explosion happened. Why are you saying boom? Boom!
Where's the strawberry?
It blew up. It blew up.
Okay, let's go.
Don't! Oh! Another explosion happened.
Let's do that.
Don't you dare! It's a bomb. Preston likes blowing things up, alright.
I was done finishing my homework. Oh, hell to the no.
Do I have to censor that?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's centering?
It's where they do like beep, beep. Don't you dare. This is a family-friendly channel. An explosion happened. Hey! Ow! Okay, guys, stop throwing it. We're done.
If you throw that strawberry into that, I'm gonna hate you.
It's gonna blow. Stop throwing it! So many Preston, please.
Please, no.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, yeah, no more explosions. No more explosions. No more.
Christ.
No more. I'm not gonna edit any more explosions. I said I'm not.
Preston, no, or you're not gonna have the strawberry. I'm gonna throw it away and I'm gonna rip it into pieces. I'm gonna throw this away. No! No!
Be gone.
No!
Hey, Preston, you wanna play
This is a bad
crocodile
time
again?
for ramen right now.
Round 6 or something. No, you just use your finger. Preston, just use your finger, please.
This
the phony.
No, you gotta go. You gotta go. Oh no!
I'll say hello to Mr. Fufu.
Mr. Foy. I'm just kidding. No animal abuse, people. Don't abuse cats. Here you go, sir. I'm not a hypocrite.
I'm not a sir.
You know me!
Are you dancing? Okay, stop. Just stop. No, Preston, dabbing was way 2015. I mean 16.
Learn how to dab.
You just learned today? Or like, that's not dabbing. Oh, Jesus Christ.
You know how much money was that?
$2. Let me check. It doesn't really say how much it costs.
It does say the price right there.
This is the price? That's not the price.
Yes,
sir.
that's this.
That's not the price. Hey Jojo, what's with your calendar? Yoga. Are you doing yoga all day? Preston, you lock the door, please. Oh, Preston, jump. Ignoring that, I continue recording. Sorry, we're just talking about bloody noses or something like that.
And if you lose blood, I don't want.
Okay, guys, you ready? Hey.
I want to go first.
Okay.
I want to go first.
Okay, let's
Like
set this down. You seriously want a punishment.
I seriously want a punishment so
No,
bad.
But remember, there's some good things in here.
Okay.
There's some normal things in here.
They have bad things and good things.
I want a bad one more than a good one.
You want a bad one?
Yeah.
Okay, Jojo goes first.
We know Preston goes first.
Okay, Preston. Do a funky dance.
Start looking around and say me.
Do anything. Kick the door as hard as you can.
Okay, I can't do that.
Someone slams you with the door.
Oh, hell no. What happens if I can't do that?
It'll hit you. But not that hard,
What happens if I can't do that?
Okay, don't worry, Preston's gonna do it for you. What a brave boy. Knock, knock.
He's there.
The door!
That's to help me. Banana.
Boom. Go blindfold for as long as this game. Bad grammar. Blindfold Preston.
Like, this is a towel, I know, but I call it blankie.
Where's Preston?
Where the fish did he go?
He's down in the bathroom.
Nope, not in here.
Yeah, he is definitely not in there. Preston, it's fine. Come on. Preston doesn't want to be blindfolded. Try to do a backflip multiple times. Okay, come on, let's go to a bed. Okay, try to do a backflip.
It says, get
Wrapped in a blanket, like a burrito. Free. You don't get to do anything.
Okay.
Mine is do a challenge. You got it.
roll yourself around, Preston.
He's a burrito! You burrito boy! Come on, burrito boy! No eating him, Jojo! I told you, no, bad, no!
You had to blindfold somebody and then you had to eat something and then they had to guess the food. What? It smells bad? Okay. Okay, just wait, Angel.
This thing?
Yeah.
A hard noodle that hasn't been cooked.
It's mac and cheese.
Oh,
Hard mac and cheese.
a hard noodle that hasn't been cooked,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Is it?
There you go. Shrimp chip.
Yeah.
I love the jelly.
Rock candy. Not rock candy, Pop Rocks.
No.
No? What is this?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles? Cringy narration right here. Now we're eating popsicles. Yes.
I broke it. I can fix it. Wow, I fixed it.
You don't like sriracha?
No.
You want to eat a spoonful of sriracha?
Let's do truth or dare.
Truth or dare, Jojo?
Truth?
Okay, you know, you're doing dare anyways.
Okay, dare. I want to do it anyway, but not that spoonful. No, that's too much. That's way too much. Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to eat 2 spoonfuls of this.
Okay.
Okay. Looks just like ketchup. Yes, you can drink, but
What am I gonna drink, huh?
Nothing.
oh, more sriracha. Oh, yeah, I said 2 spoonfuls, so
I don't
No drink.
usually drink, eat spicy stuff.
can I have another spoonful of sriracha?
2 spoonfuls.
But that's 3 for me.
Yep, that's okay. That one.
Okay.
Got it. Our viewers are like savages or something like that.
They're so excited to watch me eat this.
Just eat it. Good, Jojo? Is that tasty?
It smells like Pepsi now. It smells like JoJo's mouth now.
Okay, you ready, Preston? Your turn.
Your turn.
A tiny bit.
I know how much to give you. Like
One.
What?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeet.
Do you know the cameras can see you right there?
Oh my gosh, you're right. Okay,
Make a video.
I will.
This guy ate glass and it's his favorite food, I think. I watched. No, it's upside down. Okay, never mind, it's not.
Have you heard this guy that ate glass? No. Well, this guy ate glass.
That's what I said.
Yes, that's what you said.